In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a tribe in Viking Rise. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, so step number one is we need to go ahead and unlock the tribe feature, and that is this down here. So in order to unlock this feature, we need to get to Chiefle level 6. Once locked, you're going to see that tribe or clan icon at the bottom of your screen. Now from here, go ahead and open up the tribe or list of tribes. So once you're inside of here, you can see all the different tribes, but we're not going to be able to create a tribe inside of here. What we do need to do is to come back to our base and then click onto the tribe pool. Then from here, it's got a little plus tribe. So what we can do is join a tribe to find allies, but we don't want to do that. So from here at the bottom of the page, I want to go ahead and click on create. So click on create. Then I'll say you're required to link your account in order to create a tribe. Proceed to link. So you do need to link your account to Facebook, Google, etc. So go ahead and click on go. So we need to connect our Google account, IGG account, Facebook, or device. So for this demonstration, I'm going to link my Google account. Alright, so once you've linked that, we can go ahead and click out of here, come back, click onto the tribal, click on create, and then create again. Then from here, we want to give this a tribe tag. I was going to give this a tag called Tuts. Click OK. Now tribe name, I'm going to call this Tutorial Wiz, just for this demonstration. So you can enter 9 more characters. So between 5 and 5 to 20 characters your tribe name can be, and then you're going to put in your tribe manifesto here. So put in a brief description of your tribe, choose your language, join settings, so we can change this to anyone can join, application required. So I'm just going to say anyone can join. Might requirement, so you can put in your might, and also your active time. Now to the left of here, this is where we can customize our banner, so we can change it to whatever we like. So you can muck around with all the different type of banner types and then click OK once you like it. Then from here, we're going to click on create for 1000.